Hello guys, today I'm going to do a review of my Speedy 25 Bandouliere. It looks big in the picture in the video, but it's tiny purse and I love it. Okay, I got this bag in June of this year. It's a COVID-19 purse that I bought. This is the Damier Ebene print, and it comes with the strap because it's a bandouliere. Okay, I use this purse mostly every day when I go to work. Okay, it's perfect for me. I am very happy. It looks good, and the inside of this purse, I never use the packet. Okay, this is, where's the packing here? I still keep the key inside here. Okay, I still have this key. This is for the lock right here. I don't see any dirt inside yet. It's still brand new. Okay, so then I have this one, which is I put my pass for work, and also if I have to buy a lottery for the group, for my team. I also have my gloves that one of the boys gave me from last year or 2 years Christmas present from Janley, my son. I have my Case wallet, and this is discontinued. I don't know. I'm very curious why they discontinued this already. This one is made in Spain. I bought this one from a few years ago. And I have this. Don't you see? I love Damier Ebene. That's the print. That's my favorite print. I have my AirPods that I just got for Christmas here recently. Like this past Christmas. And gave this to me, Janley. And my watch from Archa. The best is to get this Speedy 25 Bandouliere. This one is to start. It's very tiny. It's so cute. Look at this. It's very versatile. I don't have to baby this bag. I still have some other stuff in there. I didn't completely empty this. But anyway, I'm just showing you my purse after 6 months, and I don't see anything here. No wear and tear. I will talk to you again later. I'm gonna have to show you my entire Louis Vuitton. This is a new addition to my collection. So anyway, I'm so happy I got this. I recommend to get the Speedy 25 Bandouliere. And hope you like my review on my Speedy 25 Bandouliere, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.